quick test drive. Now the flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. We have 59,083 miles. Sounds amazing with that exhaust. Got the short throw shifter. Clutch feels good. Car sounds awesome though. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I don't see any shimmy to it. I'm gonna hit the brakes here. Brakes feel solid. Drives really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this wheel, a couple little scuffs. You do have some rash here on the bottom. Overall though, looks good. You can see in there. Here on the fender, a couple small rock impacts. Typical swirls from everyday washing. You do have film here protecting that side mirror. Little scuffs here and there. Got the big panel roof, that looks awesome. Couple small chips. Got the LED marker lights here, those look good. You do have some dimples in the paint here, if you can see that. So I see some throughout that quarter panel. Here on this wheel, a little rash there. Overall though, looks good. The clarity on that headlight looks nice. Now they did paint this trim gloss black and you can see it's just chipping away. When you paint that plastic stuff, it's just not gonna last. There are scratches throughout that front bumper, little rock chips. All of that got painted gloss black and you can see it's just chipping away. You can see the alignment is off here on that edge just a little bit. Do see some almost like sanding mark lines here on the hood. And you're gonna have dimples throughout the paint. That looks like it has some smoked spray paint on it of some sort. Overall, that front lip looks good, a little rash. Then you're gonna see kind of smoked stuff there as well. Here on this wheel, you do have some rash right here. It looks like some of the material is kind of flaking off. If you can see that, it's kind of tarnished. A little bit of rock chips. Got some dimples in the paint here. See a little bit larger dimple right there. They painted these lower rockers. I think they were plastic, just like a flat plastic. And so you're gonna see all the texture and a little bit of peeling. Got the film here, a couple bubbles, a couple little imperfections here and there. Got a chip there. You have a large dimple right there in the paint. You're gonna see just little dimples every once in a while. See some dimples here. If you can see that. A little rash on that wheel. Tail lights look nice. A couple scuffs on that deck lid. This was like that flat plastic from the factory and they painted it. So you're gonna have a lot of orange peel in it. Got the Roush exhaust. Do see some dimples on that back bumper. You're gonna see the texture in the paint. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that trim, this is all nice, but here on the very edge, it is peeling. Very common. Lower section looks good, upper section looks nice. That trim is clean. Here on the bolster, you do have a rip right here, and that leather is smushed down. You have your wear here on that bolster edge, typical little scuffs. A couple scuffs here on that bottom. Looking at the steering wheel, you have some little scratches. Little chips here on the metal. And this is matted down, that Alcantara. The middle looks good. All of this is faded here, and you can see it's like chipping away. That side looks really nice. Those buttons look good. Upper side of the dash is clean. You do have the wear on the screen. It's not dirty. That's just the wear that you're going to see from pressing buttons over time. Those look good. Shifter looks nice. The rest of that looks good. Here on the passenger panel, that leather's good until you get right here on the corner, and then you can see it's separating. Pretty common issue. Upper side looks good, lower side looks nice. Got a large chip here, some imperfections on that trim. Floor mat looks perfect. Overall bolster's clean. Got a little scratch here, a couple wrinkles, a little bit of wear on the piping. Overall that looks nice. Upper section looks good. Got some scuffs on that center console. Glove box looks good. That looks nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. And you got the panoramic roof. I don't know if it's user error, but I can't get it to go back. And then here on the back seats, I know it's dark back here, but those look really nice. Here in the trunk, all of that looks good. All right, looking in the engine bay, we do have a hole right here of some sort. The sticker is kind of peeling away, and you're gonna have little rust on some of those bolts. You can see the supercharger here. All of that is tore up, that back firewall trim. Intake looks good. That looks nice. Overall, the underhood liner looks good. And then we do have a crack right here